Hi guys, welcome back to Test Gang Developers. This is our second lecture of Android app development series. Lecture 1 was very conceptual. I know that. For that reason, in this lecture, we are seeing some interesting things that we should all know. So, are you people curious about why name is Android? When it is invented? Who invented? So, let's see all these things in this lecture. So, in previous lecture, we have seen about the Android operating system. So, it was developed by the Google in 2007 for use in all of its touchscreen devices, tablets, and cell phones. But still, the question is why name is Android? Name is Android because before Google, it is developed by the software company naming Android, which is located in Silicon Valley in 2005. And Android is the nickname of Andy Rubin given by co-workers because of his love to robots. In 2008, HTC launched the first Android mobile. So, this is the history about Android. Now we will see the logo history of Android. This logo, green and blacks, this looks like the robot which have two eyes, two antennas, just like a robot. So this is invented by the Google in 2007 and it is designed by Irina Block, a graphic designer of the Google. In 2007 when she was invented this logo, she has decided that it was a open source logo, means any company can customize it according to their requirements. We can also change this logo, we can add our creations to this logo. This logo was created in two color palettes, that is light shade of green and black. Firstly was the light shade of the green, but why light shade of the green? Because here green symbolizes progress, uniqueness and striving for novelty. Because it is an open source logo, it has appeared in a variety of shapes, wearing colored clothes with different facial expressions, etc. After invention, Irina Block was said that about her creation, why robot? So she said that it was like a child who she had given a life and now it was to live its own independent life. And it becomes true. Nowadays, Android is developing very fast and it becomes a independent platform for now. So in 2014, it is again redesigned. And after redesigning, the logo looks like this. What is the difference between the previous logo and this logo? It is very slight difference and it is very difficult to see it. So let's see what is the difference. Slightly change in the color. This is very light shade of the green and this is slight dark, comparing with the previous. And the one thing that done in this logo, that making all the elements of the creature, means that robots, thinner and neater, and the space between this upper head and the middle part was increased and the space between the legs and this middle part was removed. This is the main difference between these two logos. In 2019 again it is redesigned. So now in 2019, this was the first time when graphical image got accompanied by lettering. Means the iconic Android man's head and now the arced fragment with two white eyes and two antennas is placed above the black lowercase word mark in a simple yet stable sans serif typeface with full traditional counters of the letters. Sans serif typeface is the Android font, that is font of this Android letters, and this is first when Android logo is replaced by the letters. So now we will see the Android version history. First, Android 1.0 Apple Pie is the first Android version. So the time period was 2008 to 2010. After that, Android 1.0 Banana Bread was the version, and the time period is the slightly change in the time period, that 2009 to 2010. After that, Android 1.5 Cupcake period was 2009 to 2011 was came in existence. After that, Android 1.6 Donut came in existence. After Donut, Android 2.0 Eclair came in existence. After that, Android 2.2 Froyo came in existence. The time period was 2010 to 2012. I know if you are people able to see that what is the difference in the versions, they are getting updated. That's first was the 1.0, second 1.5, 1.6, 2.0, 2.2. After that, Android 2.3 Gingerbread came in existence. Time period was 2010 to 2012. After 2.3, the Android 3.0 version came in existence, naming Honeycomb. Time period is between the 2011 to 2013. After 3.0, 4.0 came in existence. The name is Ice Cream Sandwich, 2011 to 2013. After that, Android 4.1 Jelly Beans came in existence. Time period was 2012 to 2014. And after that, that is Android 4.4 KitKat came in existence in 2013, and it is used in now also, means we are using it now also. Android 5.0 Lollipop. After that, Android 6.0 Marshmallow. After that, Android 7.0 Nougat. These all are the versions that we are using now also. After that, Android 8.1 Oreo 2007. And I know this all names are very mouth watering. This is Oreo biscuit, very creamy and very chocolatey. After that, it is updated, that Android 8.1 Oreo in 2017 itself, but the Android logo is slightly different. After that, Android 9.0 Pie came in 2018. After that, Android 10 2019, and recently updated was the Android 11, that is came in 2020. Now we are in 2021. So in 2021 it is updated and naming as the Android 11. So we have seen all these Android versions. So let's do one activity. Open your mobile and go to the settings. In settings, you will able to see the option of about phone. In about phone, there is a one field like Android version. In my case, my Android version is 6.0.1. So it means we recently seen all the Android versions. Android 6.0.1 means it is the Marshmallow version. So I am using the Marshmallow Android version. So see in your case what you are using. If you like this information, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you soon guys with some interesting information. Up to that, stay tuned, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.